Hey folks, Alex Gertsburg, CEO of Cover My Six and co-managing partner of Gertsburg Licata. Um, who loves the government? I mean, they're important. We love our government workers. You know who doesn't love the government? Entrepreneurs when the government starts asking a lot of questions about what they're doing, right? One thing I've learned is that when agencies, whether it's the IRS or the Department of Labor or the Attorney General, once they're in. They're looking at a whole lot of stuff, right? And they serve an important role. But if we can do everything right on the front end to keep the government focused on the bad guys, everybody's happier, right? So, one thing that we hear from our clients routinely is I don't know what I don't know. I don't know what I have a general idea of what I'm supposed to do and what I'm not supposed to do, but I really don't know if I'm doing everything right. Okay. And so we get proactive with them. The government is one of the six plaintiffs in Cover My Six, and here's how we do it. Okay. There are multiple layers of government regulation: federal level, state level, local level, administrative agencies. And then there's industry groups that have quasi governmental authority, right? Talk to your lawyer once a year. The conversation should go something like this: Lawyer, what is on the government's radar right now? Which agencies should I be worried about? What are the private rights of action that plaintiffs' lawyers are suing the most for right now in my industry? Help me understand the overall framework of the regulatory and statutory law that I need to be worried about, right? That's number one. What is the lay of the land? And number two is help me create a checklist. Help me create a compliance system addressed to those specific hot button issues. The things that are important to the Attorney General today are very different from the things that were important to the Attorney General 3, 10 years from now, right? So this has to be an annual process. So you have that conversation with your attorney about the lay of the land and the hot button issues. You create a compliance system made predominantly of checklists. Then you're going to appoint a compliance officer inside your company whose job it is to objectively go down that checklist and make sure that they've checked everything off and identify all the things that they haven't checked off. And then you're going to rinse and repeat every year. That's how you keep the government out of your business. And that's how you can stay focused on your business instead of litigating with the government. Thanks, guys.